So there's a lot of genuine people out there that they try to stop their progress. However, my progress they cannot stop.
Okay. Overachieve.
I don't overachieve. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is KK Necessary and I am here with my boyfriend.
Hey guys, it's Evan, your boyfriend.
Yes.
That's my formal title.
Really?
Informally called Nove.
Okay, Mr. Evan.
I speak the Queen's English because that is a part of K's. Is that a challenge or?
I guess it could be a challenge.
I don't know if it's a challenge. That's a part of K's challenge today.
Yes, it is indeed.
Cheerio.
So for today's challenge, we are going to do translating dancehall songs into standard English.
The Queen's English.
Yeah.
Who I might add is
so
actually my
the
aunt.
The Queen's English.
She's my aunt.
Is
I call
she?
her Auntie Queen.
Is it?
Auntie Queenie. Hey, Auntie Queenie.
Anyways, you want to go first? Or you want to do your 5? So I'm gonna have 5 songs or so for everyone. We're gonna get washed out again. So I'm having 5 songs for everyone to translate, and he has 5 songs for me to translate.
Our time too.
Yeah, we're attempting to translate. He's looking at my songs. You're a cheater.
No, it just caught my. It doesn't even matter right now because I did a challenge, but I did the same song now for the first one.
Really?
Yeah, my friend. I did have yours first, so it's only fair that I choose another song.
So let me find the first song.
Yes, this is why we should know which songs.
No, because if we know, we can translate it without the first. So it has to be a surprise. And we can use the same song, but with just different verses in the song.
Alright. Cool.
One call it take to make somewhere wipe off the earth and drop down flat.
Wipe off the earth and drop down flat.
So it takes one phone call to make a guy fall off the surface of the earth. And he's dead. It takes one phone call to allow someone to fall off the earth's surface and die.
And die. Alright. Alright. It makes sense because wipe off earth and drop down flat.
Yeah, he's dead.
Wipe off earth. What more you want?
Right one.
Yo, Marcus.
You know how when you move?
I mean, when the face look down.
So that part there. Well,
Wally if I really
me see them try tie down me, me know them can't tie down me.
Alright, so Wally if I really me see them try tie down. So I'm gonna try to stop a lot of person's progress.
Yes.
The next
But me know them can't tie down me.
That's it? So the last part is me know
Me know them can't tie down me.
me know them can't tie down me. Oh. Okay, me know them can't tie down me. So they can't stop my progress. I know that they cannot stop my progress.
Let's say it together now.
So I said the first part and then I just said the second part. So we're going to so we tie them together. Next question. Next one. Okay, go with that.
So see them I put money and clothes and car. Some of them I run down fame, I just wanna be stars. That part.
Up to star.
So a lot of people are hype are being boastful, if you want to say boastful. A lot of people are being boastful with their money, clothes and car, while some are running down while others are trying to be famous. Well, let's take a start from the beginning. So you rather than do it to the elders before we. One like said they want to hide with glory, then can't stop with glory. One like said they want to hide with glory, then can't stop with glory. So let's say the start. You rather than do it to the elders before.
Rather is not a word.
It's a name.
It's a name for someone.
So you can't change your name.
Yeah.
Yo Rado.
Them do it to the elders before we. So what that is saying is Masa Yo Rado. Masa Rado. They did this to the to the elders before. So but the same thing can say elders is the English word, eh? Not true. So rather they did this to the elders before us. They act as if they want to stop our glory, but they cannot stop our glory. Ha!
Can't tell me you a girl, it's you a fuck up a waist girl. National, we no wife but a years girl. Boy, mama monster, we no chase girl. National, we no wife but a years girl. Man a star, yo, and every girl fit. Jenna, mother of people girl fit.
Alright, I go with that part because that part that sounds slick.
Which part?
Man a star, yo, and every girl fit me.
Alright.
Oh.
So which one to start? Man a star. I am famous. Not every girl is my type. Jenna is a slang, but it basically means general. Right?
Yeah, general, slang for general.
Yeah. See, but you couldn't say general. So general. So alright.
Jenna is a general. You can say because you know you twist it all kind of way. Jenna, top Jenna.
Governor General.
Yeah.
Jenna cannot be like Governor General. Because my top Jenna.
My Jenna. Yeah, why can't us do the one thing for that?
So I am famous and not every girl is my type. Governor General. Mother of people girl pick me. Make girls go insane.
They go crazy. That
But that don't sound nice in English.
Make girls go crazy.
Try to sing it in English.
This is not for singing in English.
Yes, try to sing it in English.
There's no way you could sing this word for word in English.
And it's so funny you chose that song because this is a song I chose.
He can do better.
I'm not reaching away.
He can do better than that.
Well, for the one to fit the words. There's someone else you sing. But remember, so them two sentences. So that, but remember me turn it in a star, so no drop your standard. Keep your head up.
This part right here. Remember that I made you famous. Keep your head up.
No. Someone said not drop your standard.
So I drop your standard. I remember I made you into a famous person. Yeah, you have to really be making that word, you know. Remember, I made you famous, so you have to live up to that expectation. Keep your head. Well, I guess that time to.
No, why?
Into the other one too.
Keep your head up.
Cause I keep your head up means stay up.
Stay focused. Keep your head up. Stay focused.
Stay focused. Yeah, stay focused. Okay.
No girl can't see me and cause problem. Them a man come for me walk on them.
Yeah, that's nice.
Chat up me, I want them. Tell them this a real Shenyang anthem.
I'm gonna go with that. If that's too much.
No girl can't see me and cause problem. Them a man clowns, so me walk on them. Me no love chat, but me what? Me
no love chat, but me
a wear upon them.
No girl can't
But me a want them.
But me I want them.
see me and cause problem. Them a man clowns for me walk on.
I'll pause it. So no female can see me and it cause any issue because they are behaving like idiots for men or idiot for a man. Try to say a man clone.
Oh.
So me walk what? So me walk pon them. Me no love chat, but I want them. But me I want them.
But me I want them.
So me walk pon them. Alright. So they behave like idiot for men. This not gonna make no sense in English, cause so me walk pon them.
Okay, can translate
So
to
I
English.
walk out on them. Me no love chat, but me I want them. I'm not for the bag of talking, the chit chat. Me no love chat. I'm not for the lot for the lot. So I'm not for the chit chat, but I am going to warn them, tell them this is the real Shenyang anthem.
Yep.
That don't
Wait,
sound good in English.
This is the last one. That mean all the dancing fraternities should okay, what should I again? All the dancing squads or groups should live as one. Should live at peace.
Unity.
In unity. If you fight dog. If you fight dog, we're picking out your feather. Me honestly don't know why I go on this, but if me, I go take a jump at it and say this. If you fight against each other, I personally will get you. I'm gonna fight you. I'm gonna fight you myself. I'm
I'm personally going to have an issue with you.
Yeah, I'm gonna target you for something that should not be said and that's what I'm gonna say, cause I'm picking out the feather. Me, I pick out your feather.
Yeah,
Right?
may I take you and put you somewhere else, cause you're not live good with everybody.
Yeah. So don't bad mind my brother. When it what?
Don't bad mind my brother.
When you might go
Up the ladder.
So, but bad mind can use back, right? Bad mind
No.
I like. Bad mind, no.
No, bad mind. Bad mind is a Jamaican word.
Envious. Bad mind.
Envy.
Envious.
Jealousy.
Oh.
Yeah, that can work.
Nope. Oh, look like a gun.
Just shit.
Oh, true. Yeah, so don't be envious when my friend is making it up in life. Right? Or
Making it up in life though?
getting
Getting ahead.
Getting a. What is he getting? KK, what is he getting? I have no words. No words, none. When he's making a better way for himself in life.
Don't be envious when he's achieving.
Yeah, don't be envious. As he's making a better life for himself. Money man a pre, get the cheddar.
Go get the cheddar.
Money man a pre, go get the cheddar. Yeah. So I'm focused on getting money. You should too. Don't bother my friend.
Oh, my friend, I don't know about gun. Some big long gun.
I run out from them.
What is the long gun called? AK? No, AK.
Yeah, AK a long gun.
A long gun, AK.
Yeah. Mine
So
some Bonnie and Clyde stuff off
here. I run out from them. So I'm bringing my AK out on them. What the next part? Something
extra long clip.
After where the extra long clip mean?
Extra long clip, extended clip.
So exactly, me don't know gun phrases.
That's what I'm telling you.
Some big long gun. Play it over.
Pandem.
Some big long gun. We are run out on them. But it not really means say I run out with them. It means say we are used to shoot them with them. Right?
We charge them with the gun.
It means that we are shoot them or it means that physically I run out.
Not physically run out. It means they might shoot them with it.
Oh, okay. I'm going to shoot you with my AK.
Yeah.
My extra clips I will use.
Yeah.
And what I'm saying that in?
Run out from them. And that means
I'm going to finish my extra clips on you.
Yeah. You get points for that AK because you never have to make it specific. you get extra points.
The last song.
This is why the queen is my auntie and not yours.
Shut up.
Louis, my name is Louis. My name is Louis. Louis out.
You know something I like, right? Be a pretty girl and I drive.
I am really under the influence. Right?
I can't say hi. Because people say hi.
Yeah, but we're actually.
You know something I like, right?
You know?
Be a pretty girl in a high drive.
In a high drive. Me not even. Are you in a high drive right now?
No.
You're in a lower. Many pretty females, and I don't know what I'm referring to as high drive.
You know what?
In high drive.
In high drive.
Oh, if it's in a the drive, but in a high drive, I don't know what I mean by
for the
high
English
drive.
part, somebody say, you know that I'm high as a kite, cause it's a phrase, an English phrase, high as a kite.
And the high drive.
And the high drive is I think it's a vehicle, like a high vehicle. Be a pretty girl in a high drive.
What is it? It's an SUV type stuff.
So that's it for the translating dancehall music into English video. I hope you guys can make sense out of it. And to be honest, not everything is supposed to be translated into English because it makes no sense, and it kind of deteriorates from what we're trying to say. Because trust me, Creole patois, Jamaican patois to be exact, are the best thing since sliced bread. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy whatever it is.
That video.
Yeah. See you next time. Peace. I left all that in there. All this right now, I left in there. Yes. And that too.
It was a pleasure being your guest today. I had fun.